Hello everybody. Today's topic for class 12 science English medium subject physics is optical instrument. Okay, chapter is optical instrument and we'll study about a simple microscope. First of all, we'll understand what is a simple microscope. Okay, first of all, what is a microscope? Okay, with the help of microscope we can see minute object in enlarged form. Okay, so first of all, a simple microscope. What is a simple microscope? Okay, a simple microscope is a convex lens. Okay, you can see a convex lens of small focal length with a handle fitted. Okay, so a simple microscope is a convex lens having a small focal length. Okay, this is the definition of simple microscope. Now, what is the principle? On what principle this simple microscope works? Okay, so the principle is that if an object, you can see here AB is the object, is placed between optical center and focus. Object should be placed between optical center and focus. Then its virtual, erect and enlarged image is found in front of this lens. Okay, this is the principle on which this simple microscope works. First of all, we should understand what is the visual angle. Okay, so angle made by object. Okay, angle made by object on eye. Okay, that you can see that is a visual angle. So here we will find the magnifying power of a simple microscope in two cases. Okay, first, when the image is found at D. What is D? It is least distance of distinct vision. That is least distance from eye at which we can see an object clearly. That is represented by capital D. For a normal eye it is 25 centimeter. Okay, so first we'll derive the expression for magnifying power of a simple microscope. First condition is, first case is when image is found at D. Second, when the image is found at infinity. Okay, so you can see the figure here. L is a convex lens of a small focal length. O is optical center. F is the focus. And you can see an object AB is placed between optical center and focus. So its enlarged virtual image and erect image is found A1, B1. Okay, so this here the angle found by this image A1 OB equals to beta. That is angle A1 OB equals to beta. This is the visual angle found by image. Okay, which is found at D. Okay, which is found at least distance of distinct vision, that is at D. Okay, and the angle made by object is, okay, you can see this A2 OB1. A2 OB1 equals to alpha. Okay, this is the angle found when the object is placed at least distance of distinct vision. Okay, this is the second case where the image is found at infinity. Okay, we will be finding the expression for magnifying power of a simple microscope in both the conditions. Okay, so first of all, what is magnifying power? Okay, the formula for magnifying power M equals to beta upon alpha. Okay, this is the formula for magnifying power of a simple microscope. What is beta? Visual angle made by image. Okay, visual angle made by image. Okay, and alpha is visual angle made by object when it is placed at least distance of distinct vision. Okay. So the ratio of beta upon alpha is called magnifying power of a simple microscope, any type of microscope. Okay. So here alpha and beta are small. So alpha and beta are small. So we'll take tan. So m will be equals to tan beta upon tan alpha. Okay. So we are finding the magnifying power. Magnifying power of a simple microscope. So first we have to find value of tan alpha and tan beta. So in triangle we will first find tan alpha. Okay. So in triangle you can see A2O B1. A2O B1. Okay. Tan alpha. Tan alpha will be equals to A2 B1 upon O B1. Okay. You know what is the trigonometry? Tan theta equals to perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is A2 B1 and base is O B1. Now from this diagram it is clear that A2 B1 is equals to AB. So since A2 B1 equals to AB, so tan alpha equals to AB upon O B1. This is our equation number 1. So we get the value of tan alpha. Okay. Now we will find the value of beta. Okay. So you can see the angle between in triangle AOB. The angle AOB is beta. So in triangle AOB, okay, tan beta equals to perpendicular AB upon O. Okay. So now we will put the value of tan alpha and tan beta from equation 1 and 2. We will put the value of tan alpha and tan beta. Okay. So we know that m equals to tan beta upon tan alpha. Okay. Here we will substitute the value of tan beta and tan alpha. Okay. So you can see tan beta AB upon OB, tan alpha AB upon OB1. So we get AB upon OB into OB1 upon AB. AB and AB will get cancelled. So M equals to OB1 upon OB. Okay. Here this OB1 is equals to minus B and OB, that is object distance is equals to minus d. So we get the formula m equals to minus d upon d. So this minus sign will get cancelled. Okay. So we get the formula m equals to d upon u. Okay, this is the formula for magnifying of power of a simple microscope. Now we will find the magnifying power in special case. Okay. When the first is when the image is found at D. Okay. Here image is found at D. D means least distance of distinct vision. When the image is found at least distance of distinct vision. So from lens formula 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by v. So by sign convention, one by f equals to 1 by v minus d. Since image is found at d, we will take d equals to minus d. So minus 1 from